Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacino, checking in on Virgin Galactic SPCE. Gap up above the 4-hour rotation zone, could not fill the gap, which is actually not a very good sign in terms of strength. And then you see rotating back down, never closing outside the 4-hour rotation zone. So 4 hours clearly in bearish mode, going back to retest key breakdown levels and then breaking down again. So these were prior support, becoming resistance, retesting those, and then breaking down. So that resistance has held. We'll go over to the daily chart. You're getting some separation now in the rotation zone. You can see that gap up just on the other side of the rotation zone, touching the 25% retracement level and rotating back down. That's that same move we just looked at, the 4-hour, again, not filling the gap. Clearly down on any rally, key resistance. Oh, we're still watching about that $16 mark. So it's going to be in bearish mode on the daily unless it gets back above $16. Support right now, level we're watching is about $14.50. If we drop below $14.50, minor support $14.25, but then we'd be watching the breaking down to the $13.33 area. Below that would be $12.42. So this stock really has not gone anywhere. Again, we ran all the way up and now coming back down. So when's the last time? I mean, this tends to happen on a lot of these stocks that go vertical. Vertical up, gets way overvalued, comes crashing down, and gets into a major consolidation pattern and just can't get any traction. And, so right now it's favoring still the bearish side. So keep that in mind unless it gets above that $16 mark again, then it'll go back to neutral. So we have for you on Virgin Galactic, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.